Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a JavaScript tutorial on freeCodeCamp. Use export to share a code block. So when we're using different JavaScript files, we can export the variables to functions, so you can use them in other JavaScript files. So here's an example. So we have ignore this export first, but we have a const of add a variable that's a function that takes an x and y and adds it together. If we put an export here, other JavaScript files can have access to this add if they import it. And here's a way to do it if you have, and this is only useful if you have one variable or function you want to export, but you have multiple ones. You can use curly brackets and put inside what you want to export. And sometimes you only need one, but other times you need more than one variable or function. So for this example, there are two string related functions in the editor. Export both of them using the method of your choice. So we use the keyword export, and then there's two of them. So we do curly brackets, and we're just going to copy each variable and then copy the next one. And that'll be it for this one. Thank you so much.